Hey YouTube, it's Angel, Cafe Vlogs. We out here. It's Vanessa.
Hey.
You know how the vlogs go. As you can see, we're in America now. So we're not in Ghana anymore. But that's besides the point. Today we're gonna do an unboxing of HelloFresh. So let me set this up.
HelloFresh.
Let me set this up real quick. Hopefully this is not a sloppy video. I'll set this up like right here. All right. Perfecto. So, I need to get this open. HelloFresh, HelloFresh. HelloFresh. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I feel like ooh. I'm not gonna lie, the box does feel cold. So it tells us some installation stuff going on. We got some recipes over here. Oh, it basically shows you what you got. So it has this like menu thing. And it has the preparations on the back on how to make it. So I chose, let's see, black bean chili, as you can see in the picture. I chose chicken cheddar fajitas. That's that one. And then I chose chicken over tabbouleh. But I don't know if I'm saying it right. So somebody can correct me. And the back is just like, you know, how to. And then this, I guess this is a coupon. Probably not gonna use that. All right. So yeah, looks like that's what this is. Yeah, they did a good job of keeping it cool. Wow, it's actually really still cold. It's very cold. So we have that. We have this. And then we have chicken fajitas. So yeah, it basically just comes in 3 bags. And I got the meal plan of 2 meals per, what is it? 2 times 3, so 6 meals. 3 times a week, 2 meals 3 times a week. And then, oh, the meat is at the bottom with this thingy. Oh, I was wondering how they did that. It's a huge ice pack. Ah, and it says recycle me on it. And so yeah, you got the meat. It's actually very cold. Wow. And then another ice pack. So yeah, I'm very impressed. They did good. So yeah, I'll let you know my review and stay tuned.